Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about copy the list items to one list to the another list item. Okay, so how it is going to be work? So there is very simple ways most of the people developers are going to be it. That is, suppose there is a list 1 and there is a list 2 and the list 2 is going to be copied by the list 1, but it is not possible by the equal sign because here a reference is going to be copied. So what you have to done, you have to copy list 1 to the list 2 by how it is going to be possible. So it is going to be possible, there is a copy constructor is there, the copy module is there, and there is a list constructor is there, built-in method. Okay, so I will tell that list constructor means that is a list method. Okay, Python. So list method and copy method will help you to copy the entire list to another list. So first of all I have to declare one list 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, then new list equal to l dot copy. Okay, then print new list, then print it. Okay, it copy the list to the new list, then print. Fine. Then another way, new list to equal to l dot here list. Constructor is there, then print new list 2. Okay, so here some issues arises. List object has no attribute list. Okay, sorry. So l dot list. So let me check. So here I will write in wrong syntax. This is not l dot list. This is the list. Then here I am written that list. I declaration a list object. Then it is going to be covered or copied to the another list. Okay, so in this way, so here I will taken as a integer values. I am taken another list too, which is for string values. Apple, mango, then orange. Okay, then print, sorry, new list 3 equal to, I will take list constructor inside the L2, then print new list 3, then run it, apple, mango, orange. Okay, it is copied to the new list 3. So in this way you can work in copy the list by the list constructor, and there is a copy. You can't use the equal to sign, okay, assignment operator sign, because it is working on the reference of a list 1. So it is copied to the reference of the list 1 to the list 2. That's why I am using copy method, and there is a built-in method list method. Okay, if there is any doubt, please go through the comment box of this video and type there. Then if you like this video, please share it and click on the subscribe button and bell icon button. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.